Single computer installation. We're assuming that you've downloaded the installer file and kept it somewhere. Let's open up Windows Explorer. And we'll look inside our Downloads folder. We can see that there are two setup files there, one for training and one for the complete system, version 4.5. We'll double click on the setup file. All versions of HR Complete installed in exactly the same way. We'll follow the instructions. It is telling me that the training database already exists, and do we want to replace it? For context, this PC is a training computer and we install and uninstall frequently. When you uninstall, the routine deletes the program but not your database. And so it's telling us there's already a database on the PC from a previous installation. In this case, I am going to overwrite it. When the installation is complete, press Exit. If your computer is not up to date with the latest Windows updates, it might take a little longer, but in those cases, it's usually finished in 1 or 2 minutes. We've got a new icon created. The vast majority of users will have no problems when installing, as we've just seen. A small number may encounter an issue, and there are 3 types of installation problems, and they are all simple to resolve. Problem number 1. File permissions. This may happen if you are installing to some location other than the default. Our installation puts your files in the following location: C:\users, public, documents, HR Complete. We recommend this location because you and your users will have read and write access. For a single computer setup, this is a sensible choice. But if you're running a small team, a multi-site or corporate installation, you are likely, in fact you're certain, to want to change to install the database on a network drive somewhere. In that situation, you will need to ensure that all users have read and write access to that location. We have a separate video on how to install in a network drive. Problem number 2. Security policies. If you press the Windows key and type in policy, there's local security policies. If you have never made changes to your local security policies, then this is not going to be our problem. But if you or your IT people have implemented security policies, then you will know which ones have been added and how to amend them. Problem number 3, user control settings. If you click on the Windows key and press user account settings, on the left hand side is a slider which moves between always notify and never notify. Most users start off at the top of the scale on always notify, and over time most users dial it down to suit their needs, eventually ending up here or here, pretty much at never notify. For the vast majority of people, installation is quick and takes no more than a minute or 2. Thank you for watching.